Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 519. This was on QDEL in our newly launched AI-based time strategy. So you can see the entry was sent out on December 27th, and when we look at the chart, give you an idea of how the strategy works. Basically, we're looking for a stock that's had a pretty significant move to the downside. And once it's moved to the downside, the AI gives a rating of the expectation that the stock will stay in a sideways movement or trading range. So the stock movement to the downside spikes the implied volatility in the short-term options. If the stock does drift down a little bit from here, it's okay because we're using a put calendar spread. So we're buying a long-term put, selling the near-month put, and that's where the IV skew comes from. There's an IV spike in the short-term option, but not so much in the long term. So the difference between those two, selling the higher IV, buying the lower, creates the skew. That's something that we can profit from, as well as time decay as the stock stays in that expected sideways range. And in this example with QDEL, you can see that exactly what happened. Stayed right above the support level at 120. If it drifted down a little bit, again, it's okay because we have the long put for protection. But for about 2 weeks, it went sideways. Really good example of the strategy and how it works and the time frame in it. Kind of a 3-week type strategy. In this example, we made over 38% in just 16 days, and there's the options: buying the February, selling the January. So buying a little further out in time, selling the near month option, but the same strike, hence the calendar spread, or what some people call time spreads. I hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.